Day 2 hair coming in strong. I used to be that girl that washed my hair every single day until I discovered the Living Proof Dry Shampoo, and I discovered that it is unlike any other formula on the market because it has a patented formula that resists and repels sweat and oil. So stay tuned for how to use it and other products that I use to tame this mane. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use my absolute favorite product in my hair care collection, Living Proof Dry Shampoo. I've been using this product for maybe 4.5 years now, and after touring Living Proof headquarters, I realized I may be using it incorrectly, and you might as well be too. So now I understand the science behind it. I'm going to show you how to use it yourself on day 2, day 3, day 4 hair, and why it is unlike any other dry shampoo on the market. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you all the things. This is what the product looks like without the packaging on it. All of the powder is at the bottom of the can. So before you use it, you really want to make sure that you're shaking it up really well, so that way the product is all mixed up and ready to activate. Once you're all shaken up, you want to spray, and you want to see powder. So you want to spray wherever you feel like you need it. The reason why this dry shampoo is unlike any other on the market is because it has a patented molecule that repels sweat and oil. So that's why you'll never see any other dry shampoo like this, because it is patented. So when you spray, you want to make sure you're seeing that powder, and you want to wait 60 seconds before touching it. So you can brush your teeth, do your makeup, whatever you want to do, but you need to wait at least 60 seconds to let it do its job. So now that I've waited my 60 seconds, I'm gonna go ahead and just shake it through. Get my hair, you can either use a brush if you would like, or you can just use your fingers, which I like to do, and the powder will disappear. And so now I'm ready to style. I'm gonna curl my hair today, but that's all you need to know about using that dry shampoo. A couple other products worth mentioning really quickly. I just started using this whipped glaze, which is really great for colored hair, and they have one for blondes and they have one for brunettes. And then I also used this full thickening mousse yesterday, which I feel like has given me a good grit, but not in like a dirty way. I use this on wet hair. And then today, after I style it, I'm gonna be going in with this full dry volume blast, and it gives you just like great texture without having to tease your hair. But I'm going to show you the final product when I'm done curling. Okay, I just finished curling my hair, and I'm going to share a couple more fun facts about Living Proof products, as well as some other products worth mentioning. Yesterday when I washed my hair, I used this full thickening mousse when it was wet, and also before that tried out this color glaze, which helps for colored hair. They have one for blondes and brunettes, and it basically just helps keep the good tones and stay away from the other tones. Okay, so I already did my dry shampoo, I did my curls, I didn't put anything on them yet. I'm just going to kind of spray them with this Flex hairspray that I love, and then I kind of just finger comb because I don't like them to be too perfect. Another thing about Living Proof products is that they are meant to be layered, so there's really no such thing as too much or using too much. They're meant to be used together, which is a really great thing. This dry volume blast is great if you are looking for a little bit of volume, but you don't want to tease your hair. You can literally just section it up, spray it, kind of work it, and that kind of gives you some nice body and volume. I also like to just kind of spray it through there. And then for the frizzy months, or for the staticky months, I know we're upon static season, I do like to use this defrizzer, and it kind of gives your hair just like a nice little smoothing, and there we go. Another one too that is based off of the dry shampoo, if you're using the dry shampoo just for a little bit of volume on top, which is what I used to do, I also like this body builder that you can adjust the product amount of how much you want it to dispense. It's a really great product that at first I didn't love, but the more I played with it, the more I loved it. All these products will be linked below at carolynmoran.com. And also, my friends at Living Proof were kind enough to extend the code that I did last week. If with a $30 purchase, you can use the code Carolyn for a free full-size bottle of dry shampoo if you want to try it. And any of these other products, I'll link below if you're interested. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.